Welcome. If you want to change Alexa language in your Amazon Echo Studio speaker, at the first you have to select devices in your Amazon Alexa application, select your speaker, and tap on the settings. Next, you have to scroll down and pick language. In this place you can find all of available languages. So if you want to change, just simply tap, for example, or Espanol. Click OK, confirm. Now just wait, and there it is. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.